This is C.R. Lawrence Company's balanced door. Now this is our premium series, and this is an actual mock-up of a door that's going to be going into the Fulton Street Station in New York. Now one of the advantages of a balanced door system is that as you open the door, a third of the door opens in and only 2/3 of the door open out. So when I open a large door like this, I don't have to worry about backing up or getting out of the way, because as I open it, you can see what this bottom pivot is doing. As I open the door, it's actually pushing the door in as it's opening. So as it pushes it in 1/3, and then 2/3 of the door opens on the outside of the building, giving you a full opening without having to back up or something like that when you're opening the door. Now one of the other advantages of a balanced door, it's really made to last, and it's made for large architectural and heavy doors. Our premium series uses cast arms and full bearings that can hold over 700 pounds per panel. In fact, this door is actually 3/4 inch laminated glass in a stainless steel top and bottom frame. This is our tube jam, which conceals the spring that actually helps you power the door open. And then we have a top and bottom arm that's a solid cast wrought metal. As we open the door again, it pushes it in, and that spring is actually helping us to open the door so we can meet all the ADA standards even with a large door like this. Also, when I let go of it, we have a cast back check on the top, which is softening the way that that door is closing. So it can be worked fully manually. We also have fully adjustable closing speed, latching speed, and door adjustments, so you can make sure that it's very easy to line up these doors without having to take the door down or take anything apart. Now the other advantage again with these doors is no matter what the inside building pressure is, or if the windy conditions on the outside, the door actually always works in your favor. Because a third of the door opens in and 2/3 open out, you always have plenty of surface that pressure is being applied to. So it's very windy on the outside. As you start to open the door, the wind against the door will actually help you push it in and assist in opening the door. The same way if you have a load of pressure on the inside, it helps balance out the door. Again, the other big thing is its pivot is moved out about 18 inches. So as you open the door, 18 inches or so of that door is opening in, and the other 2/3 of the door is opening out. This helps you have an extra wide door, again, without taking too much space out into the street. Now this is a power assist door that actually has a detector on the outside, so that if you start to open the door, if people get close, it'll reopen it, so nobody's going to get caught when they're walking through the door. And to use the power method, I can simply come over to our power button, and when I push it, these power assisted arms actually open the door, and then the door is actually going to close by itself. You can adjust how long you want the door to stay open before it starts to close again. And as I mentioned, there's a beam at the top that's going to keep that door open as long as somebody's in the way. Now as that door closes, it does it no harm for somebody to come right in afterwards and open and close it manually. Again, because that power assist arm allows the door to operate by itself, or that arm will push the door open using the motor that's located up in the header. Now all of the electric can either come in from the top or the bottom. We do have a tube panel that goes up the side to hide all of your wiring. And also this jam tube can be exposed, or you can put cladding over this so you don't see that at all. Again, what makes this power door really work is that it can be used manually. And then again, if you have a handicap situation, all you have to do is push the handicap button, and you can see those arms come out at the top, opening the door. You can adjust how long you want that door to stay open, and then it will close by itself. Now this particular door, we also have mag locks on the top in case you want to set it up so that you can lock the doors electronically. You can also use panic handles or other locking devices on our balanced doors. These can be all glass, they can be framed, or they can be solid steel. As we mentioned, this door, our balanced door system, can hold up to a 700-pound door leaf. Now we're facing the inside of our CRL Premium Balanced Door. Again, as you can see, this door works very smoothly. You can adjust the closing speed and latching speed as well as the spring power easily without removing any hardware. We also have a cast bronze hydraulic back check for smooth operation. Now this door can be used interior or exterior, and the largest panel can be 50 inches wide by 120 inches high. Each one of these panels can be 700 pounds, and you can have it either work manually or power or any combination. This is actually a power door, but I can operate each panel individually manually or by touching the power button, the doors will operate automatically. You can also have an interior or exterior sensor, so if the doors start to close when someone is approaching or someone's approaching in a wheelchair, the door will bounce back open once they get into that beam. This is totally adjustable, as well as how long the door will stay open before it starts to close again. So again, you can see how nice and smooth that operates. You can use up to a 2-inch thick all steel or clad door. This is Starfire. You can use laminated or tempered glass for the door. Any type of glass, decorative glass, can be used as well. This is our jam tube. That can either be exposed or concealed, and all of our wiring is concealed in this panel that's going up from the floor. So this can be wired from the bottom or from the top. The electronic motors and activators are located in the header above the door, as well as the hydraulic back checks. And this also has mag locks in case you want to electronically be able to lock the door, again for evening hours or something like that with just the touch of a button. These doors can also be used with the CRL panic handles. In fact, we've designed a special panic handle just for our balanced door series.